When the goats at Sunflower Farm Creamery gave birth to a bunch of kids, the dairy farm decided to celebrate. As a result, it dressed the young ones up in the cutest party outfits and let them loose for the first time. And when the internet saw what had happened, it just couldn't stop looking. The Sunflower Farm Creamery is based in Cumberland, Maine. With the help of its Nigerian dwarf goats, the business makes a range of dairy products including feta cheese, which it sells between the months of May and January every year. Nigerian dwarf goats originally hail from West Africa. The miniature breed makes perfect pets thanks to their small, manageable size. However, despite their petite builds, they yield a large quantity of milk, making them ideal dairy animals too. The average female produces 2.5 pounds of milk each day, but some can make up to 8 pounds. Nigerian dwarfs can also breed no matter what month or season, which means that farmers can stagger breeding to give them production throughout the year. The people behind Sunflower Farm Creamery believe that happy goats make better cheese. As a result, it treats its flock like royalty in a bid to produce the best possible produce. Each one of its goats has a name, and staff know the animal's unique personalities. A passage on the Sunflower Farm website reads, "Not only do they all have names, they all have distinct calls we know even from the kitchen. They each have preference for their favorite treats and places they most love to be scratched. The workers at the dairy are so attentive to their goats, they even take note of each individual mama's milking preference. Matilda likes to be milked without her head closed into the head gate. After Rosemary is milked, she waits on the milk stand for a few minutes of love before she's ready to hop down and go about her day," the website revealed. The flock at Sunflower Farm breed between February and April, meaning that come springtime the dairy is filled with kids. However, given that Maine isn't the warmest place on earth, it's sometimes a struggle to keep the goat babies warm. This was until one wise soul came up with an ingenious method of keeping the little ones snug. Someone decided to kit the kids out with their very own custom-made sleep suits to keep the chill at bay. And if that wasn't cute enough, the babies got together for the most adorable pajama party ever. Luckily for us, someone captured the whole thing on camera. Sunflower Farm Creamery posted the resulting video to YouTube in 2017 under the title "Goat Kid Pajama Party," and boy, did the endearing clip find its way into people's hearts. The footage shows the kids as they're let loose among the farm. They skip out into the open and pose on top of hay bales, proudly displaying their colorful clothing. Some of them playfully butt heads before continuing to bounce all over the place in glee. As they chase each other around while modeling their pajamas perfectly, they bleed out in what seems to be happiness. Watching the cute kids jumping for joy, it's hard not to crack a smile, and that's without taking their printed PJs into account. It's little surprise then that the baby goat pajama party proved to be a hit online. Since going live in 2017, the video has amassed more than 850,000 views on YouTube alone. And not content with just watching the kids at play, many viewers couldn't resist commenting on the footage too. Clearly delighted by what they just witnessed, one person commented, "This is officially the YouTube video of the year. You've made me beyond happy. I'm so excited about visiting to meet the babies. Can I bring them jammies?" Another friend of the heartwarming footage gushed, "Your baby goats make me so happy. I think everyone should have baby goats. The world would be a happier place. Thank you so much for sharing them with us. So cute and adorable." Given the frenzy its pajama-wearing goats had caused, Sunflower Farm Creamery made a follow-up video a year later. The footage showed a new generation of Nigerian dwarf goats dressed in tiny sleep suits, many of which had been sent as gifts to the farm. An accompanying caption explained, "We have 48 Nigerian dwarf goat kids born at the farm in the past 2 weeks. Now they're anywhere from 3 days old to 2 weeks old. They're getting so feisty, so today we decided to let most of them out so their mamas could have their morning grain in peace." It continued, "A number of people have made us pajamas over the years so that we have a way to keep kids warm if they're born on super chilly Maine nights. But since we never get to see them all in action, I thought it'd be a fun way to thank the sewers by making a video showing off all their work." Once again, the new uplifting video found a following online. The video was posted to YouTube in April of 2018, and in a matter of months it's clocked up almost 130,000 views, as well as nearly 2,000 likes and 135 comments. In the caption, Sunflower Farms Creamery said that it was its wish that viewers had a week as fun and hoppy as the goats. And judging by the messages they received, the video certainly put a smile on people's faces. "OMG, this is the cutest video I've ever seen," one viewer gushed. And We can't help but agree. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.